saw some limoncello.
Like, oh my word, it's so much.
Buenísimo.
If you want to take something, you just grab a glove and a bag and you can mix them. Okay. And the price is $4.49 for 100 grams.
Okay. Thank you.
Should we do it?
Yeah, yeah. Should we do it? How many times did you come to Venice? How long you been here? How long you been here?
3 years.
That's awesome. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it. It smells good.
It's a nice place to work.
Yeah.
It's important all around Europe. But the most
One of everything.
Wow, look at these silver almonds.
See this? Yeah, get some almonds.
It's like Willy Wonka on steroids.
So awesome. You can smell the oldness. Why, thank you. I am beautiful. I'm good. I'm damn good.
It's awesome. Wow.
What kind of cannolis? I think cannoli's a cannoli. Alright, so let's go down this thing. Hold on. But the market is over that bridge. This is picture time right here. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yep. Fucking streets of Venice.
Look at that cute stuff. The whole
Like a
library
bookstore.
of books. Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Well, let's go in the front and see it. It's a jazz club. Baby, okay.
I know. I mean, like you said, it's like, wow, yeah.
Look at that white hat.
It's pretty.
Cold drinks. Look at this. It's like a little hidden store.
Yeah.
You can't help but be a tourist when you come to these fucking places.
Yeah.
So she said the market is that way. There's a big bridge.
Okay, so we want to go over the bridge.
Is that where the market's at?
Yeah. But it's not open.
I know, but I just want to get my bearings.
Yeah. That's so cool that we're like right by that.
I know.
Look at these pretty little...
Those are awesome. Look at these suits.
I know.
Did you see that?
510,
Did you see that
349.
sign that when it was hanging when we came in? Down with the mobs, the mafia. Like the people are rising up. Damn. Just a scarf is 135.
It's okay.
mean, it's okay. Yeah, if I can afford it on a regular basis. I know, all that shit's nice. Once I become a doctor. Till then, Walmart it is. I can still look good at Walmart.
You make anything look good.
No, stop. Let's go back there. Oh, we gotta get one of these masks.
Oh my god.
But not right now. Let's.
I know.
Spada. Ooh, I like this.
Yeah, it's like how in the world are we gonna get away with more stuff in our luggage?
Oh, we gotta get one of those masks.
But look, we can get like a little hop in. Look,
Yeah, I didn't say like a full mask, but I mean, it's gotta be
still a little bright.
a legit mask. We'll worry about that later. We have like 3 days here. Dude, I like that.
I like it that they have the prices out. It's like cool.
Right? Hard rock. Gotta have one everywhere. I know. Keep going?
Yeah, whatever.
Fucking Latinas. Don't lie to me. Can you show me the picture?
Those fucking steaks.
Yeah. Apparently.
Cute little adorable dog.
So, I think there's a market. Yeah. There's a side entrance over there. So what do you want to do?
I want to eat.
Keep going? Okay. Let's go.
Restaurant in Florida. It's interesting how the prices went from like really like decent to like super expensive.
Well, that's why you just gotta negotiate. That's why I also did that list at Tucci, because these places are actually pretty reasonably priced. Well, let's check the menu. There's the menu right there.
United States.
What's the name of this place? Hi. Awesome. That was good.
What is yours? That's got the black ink.
Doing laundry. Piazza. Doing laundry.
We're gonna switch us.
Got a free beer for holding the laundry machine. We have arrived in Venice, Italy. I know, right? Venice. So, pretty awesome. We left Paris about a little after 1:30. Arrived here about 4?
Yeah.
About 4 p.m. Took a boat across the water. That was pretty awesome. And we had to wait about 30 minutes. That airport in Paris was so freaking hot. But we had to look good because there's a volcano. It's not a volcano, but it's like a hot water spring under the Paris airport. Hooray. Yeah, just not good. First food, but it's okay. Don't even remember the damn name. Then we walked around. Tomorrow, God willing, we plan to go to the market, the Rialto market, and the San Marco Basilica. Oh yeah, John, that's who, one of the apostles is buried here.
Oh.
One of the 12 apostles is buried in the big Piazza. And Tia wants to go get a coat or one of those travel shows. And my allergies are kicking my ass, by the way. Yeah. Oh, we went to go do laundry because this place has no iron or ironing board because it could be a fire hazard and it could be dangerous. But you can cook on an open flame in the kitchen. That's not dangerous. So, if that, yeah, I'll leave that one alone to you. So we went to go wash clothes. And poor Tia was playing mom. But we got to hang out with complete strangers. Two couples from Spain. One of them is rowing this Sunday competition. And the lady from Argentina. We washed clothes. He bought us a beer. They were all awesome. We came home. I still have cracked a beer. I haven't touched it yet, but I will. Tomorrow, what else are we gonna do? We're gonna go find Stanley Tucci's recommendation restaurants. Talk to mom. By grace of God, she's still fighting and kicking. Tia's journaling. And yeah, I mean, this place is incredible. I mean, we still can't really comprehend that we're here. That we're still, like, in Europe. Like, I don't think it's truly hit us yet. But, any hoots. Hasta mañana. Buonasera. Arrivederci.